Hey everyone, Seth coming to you from the KENWOOD Training Department. Today, we've got the KENWOOD KMM-BT222U digital media receiver. Let's take a look inside the box and then go through some of the feature highlights. Taking a look at the contents inside of the box, the first item that you will notice is the wiring or power harness. This is where you make your speaker wire connections, power ground, and so forth. Some vehicles may require a vehicle-specific wiring harness or interface adapter, so be sure to get the proper parts necessary to complete the installation on your vehicle. Next, you will see the included Bluetooth microphone. This allows you to make and receive hands-free phone calls with great sound quality. Next, you'll see the receiver removal tools. If you will be using the included mounting cage, this allows for easy removal. The receiver itself, one thing that you will notice is it is very shallow in comparison to a traditional singled-in receiver. This allows you to fit it in many locations where depth may be at a premium. Then you will see the included instruction manual. And last will be the warranty card. The KENWOOD KMM-BT222U does include a 1-year warranty. Now, let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. On the left side of the receiver will be your wiring power harness input. To the right will be your Bluetooth microphone input. Next to that will be your rear or subwoofer selectable RCA pre-outs. And to the bottom right will be your AM/FM antenna input. Now let's power the receiver on and take a look at the front. In the upper left-hand corner, you will have a phone icon button allowing you to have quick and easy access to answer your Bluetooth phone calls. Below that will be a source button allowing you to change your sources, or you can press and hold to power the receiver completely off. Next to that will be the volume knob. This also doubles as a press and hold function to activate your connected Bluetooth phone's voice command. It also allows you to access a menu function by pressing the volume knob and releasing. Next to that will be an up and down arrow. The up arrow is also a band function, and the down arrow a seek function. Below that is a search or back arrow button. Next to that will be your track backward and track forward buttons. Then you will see the display button, allowing you to change what is being displayed on the display itself. By pressing and holding that button, that will activate or deactivate the dimmer function. Next to that will be your radio preset buttons 1 through 6. And to the right of that will be your USB and auxiliary inputs. In the bottom left-hand corner, you will see a button that will allow you to detach the face, making it great for security. The KMM-BT222U allows you to enhance the sound quality in your ride. With the included 13-band EQ and digital time alignment, you can fine-tune the sound to your desire. Or you can add in an optional subwoofer, then you will have subwoofer level control directly from the receiver. Also, the receiver is compatible with the new KENWOOD Remote app. This allows you to use your smartphone just like a wireless remote control. It also includes KENWOOD's new music mix technology. So if you ever wanted to switch between another Bluetooth connected device to listen to music wirelessly from that device, it's really simple. Just press play on the next device and it'll start playback. Or you can press preset 5 on the receiver and it will switch to the next Bluetooth audio device in line, making Bluetooth audio switching easy. You will also notice support for Spotify, iHeartRadio, and Pandora with your connected smartphone. Thanks again for tuning in to the unboxing and feature highlights of the KMM-BT222U. We'll look forward to seeing you again next time.
KENWOOD.